Hi friends, in today's session we are going to see how to download STS IDE. So Spring Tool Suite or Spring Tool Suite. So you can call according to your convenience. So now what is an STS? So why we need to download STS into our system? So currently I am going to download STS 4.0 and STS, so Spring Tool Suite is an IDE for Java developers. So it provides easy development for Spring-based applications in Spring-based and Spring Boot and for all those applications. So it's very easy to work with your Spring-based applications if you are using STS. So, and it's faster. You can develop your applications in a faster way and easy. STS is an IDE, so which is based on Eclipse. So your STS IDE is built on top of Eclipse only. If you know how to use Eclipse, so same way you can use STS also. So STS is free. You can download from STS site, official site with free. There is no cost, so it's open source. So same way. So here also I have added those points only. STS is an IDE developing for Spring-based applications. So it provides ready-to-use environment to implement, run, deploy, and debug the applications. It validates our application and provides quick fix for our applications. So if you want to work with simple Java applications also, you can work with STS IDE. It's a similar to Eclipse. So it's built on top of Eclipse only. So this is about our STS. So what are the system prerequisites? So if you want to install your STS, so you should have JDK 8 installed, means Java 8 should be installed in your system. So now we are going to download STS 4.x version. So for that, you should have a Java 8 or higher versions. Right. Versions. Now, so this is a prerequisite. So Java should be installed into your system. So how to see whether Java is installed into my system or not? So go to command prompts cmd. So go to here Java. Okay. In my system, so I'm having Java 8 installed in this. So if you want to install STS 4.x, so you should have at least Java 1.8 or higher version. So in my system, I am having Java 8. So I can download STS into my system. So now let's download that one. So STS. So this is the site we are going to use to download STS. So here, if you go to here, so you will have so STS for different operating systems. So if you are using Linux, please download this one. If it's Mac, yes, you need to download this one. And if you are using Windows 64-bit operating system, then we need to download this 4.8.1. And here, if you look into this, so we are downloading Spring Tool of version 4. So and Spring means STS is developed on top of Eclipse only. So click it here. So it will download. So it will take some time. So it will take you around 10 minutes of time. So I have already downloaded. So click it here. It will start downloading. Now let me go to my computer and my downloads. So see here I have already downloaded. So the version is Spring Tool Suite 4.4.8.1. I have downloaded. So it will come as a jar file. So right click on it and extract here. Right click here and extract here or extract into. So I have already extracted. Now look into this. So when you extract this jar, so So extract to same folder. So it will create the folder, and in this it will extract the remaining folders. So now here it will create MetaNF is one folder and UI is one folder, and after that it will create one more zip package. So called contents. So if you unzip this one, extract to contents. It is taking some time for unzip. So the basic requirement is to install STS 4.x into your system is you should contain the minimum version of JDK is 8. So if you have it 8 in your system, and that to 64-bit operating system, means for Windows 64-bit operating system, and your system should contain JDK 8 or higher versions, then only you can able to download STS 4.x. It's still unzipping, so it is taking some time. So if you don't have Java 8 in your system, so if you are having lower versions, yes, you can download lower versions of STS also. So in the STS, you will have 3.x versions also. You can download that also. So if you are having more than 8, means JDK 1.8 and higher versions, then only you go for STS 4. If you are having Java 7, then you can go for lower versions of STS. So that is STS 3.x. It's taking too much time. And this is a site from where you can download your STS. So this is a site from where you can download your STS 4.x version. So here already we discussed workplace. So here they have given, so for each means for each environment. So if you are using Linux environment, means operating system in your system, then download this. So if you are using Mac operating system, download this one. If you are using Windows environment, so you need to download. And So this version will support only 64-bit operating system only. Clearly they mentioned here. So it will support 64-bit operating system only. If we are using 32-bit operating system, so it won't support. So please don't download this one. So go for lower versions. So in the STS you will have 3.x also. So go for that version. So and STS is like similar as your Eclipse, but it will look and feel will be somewhat better compared to Eclipse. So why it is getting this much? So let me see this. So if you look into this, so here you will able to see in the contents. In the contents, you will able to see STS. So the version of your STS is, so I have downloaded 4.8.1 release. So here it will contain different folder structure. So it's not a fully unzipped. So yeah, almost 90% is done. Let's wait for one more minute. So once unzip is completed, so in the content, you will be able to find your STS IDE related folder. So this is that STS. So STS is used to develop Java-based applications. So if you are using Spring Boot, yes, or Spring Framework, then it will be helpful to reduce your development efforts a little bit. It's completed, 99% is completed. So yes, it's completed. So see again. So first we will download this one and unzip this one, and this folder will be created. If you go to this folder, so you will able to see contents. So unzip this content. So in the content, you will able to see your STS. So copy this into some location where you want to keep your STS. Now, if you go to English, so here you have different folders. So, and here, if you go to here, okay, if you look into this, yes, one second. Yeah. So here, if I look into this, its Java version is required is showing 11, but it supports 8 to higher versions. So how to open that? The STS. So, just take me some time. So to open your STS, click on this button. So now I want to specify my workspace. So see right, I don't want to go for here. See right, workspace name is test and we launch. 1 second. What's happening? So it's open. So first and right, it's taking some time. So let me close this because it will occupy some system memory, right? So now, so how to open? So click it here and it will open your STS. So this is the your STS IDE tool. So here your project navigation and everything will be displayed. And here you need to write your code, and here it will show you console, all those things. So same as Eclipse. So if I want to create one project, so go to here, new. So what type of project I want to create? Others. So I want to create a Maven project. Yes. So next activity. So first time, right, it will take some time. So group ID com.exp. Okay. So my project name is test or demo. Finish. So see, it's creating my Maven project. So see, it's creating my own project. So here, if you write something, so new, I'm creating an ordinary Java class. Package name is from.env, and class name is env, which contains main method. See, so here I have created one main method. So here your project explorer will be there, and here you need to write your code. And this is so similar to your Eclipse. So if you run this Java application, so here you can see the your console logs. So same as Eclipse. So this is the IDE, so which is useful when you are working with Spring Boot or Spring applications. So you can create ordinary Java projects also, but if you are working with enterprise applications, so STS is more convenient than your Eclipse. So hope you understood this video. Thank you.